Starbucks is a social enterprise that wants to build an entire farming ecosystem through a simple box, which contains necessary farming essentials and materials for our partner farmers.
The Alliance of Public Health Advocates is the first ever youth-led organization in South Luzon that moves for safer and healthier communities.
We started the Ako initiative to empower citizens and institutions to promote immunization for everyone dahil ako,
Ikaw, tayo ay para sa kalusugan.
For Our Farmers PH is a youth-led non-profit organization that aims to support and uplift the lives of our dear farmers. We also want to educate and empower young farmers through For Our Farmers Scholarship.
Ang The Street Classroom ay isang volunteer organization na naniniwala na dapat lahat ay miwastong pangarap, puso at pag-iisip.
Tinutugunan ito ng aming proyektong 4-piece para sa 4-piece na umabot na sa 5,000 Pilipino.
Sa tulong mo, marami pa tayong maaabot.
Para sa bayan at para sa mga bata!
Hi, I'm Sam from Project Smile.
And I'm Shay from Therapy. Together we form the Accessible Assistance Alliance.
Its main objective is to support CWDs and their families through quality telehealth services.
Hi, this is Janmaro Manuel from iSave Organization of the Region 2 Cagayan Valley, and our project is Love Hope. It aims to save the education of the vulnerable sectors in Cagayan.
The USLSCD Student Council is a university-based organization of future Lusalan educators in Negros. It features the Ata tribe by promoting awareness and preserving the rich culture and heritage through the Lakbay Ata project.
Lights of Hope Philippines is a grassroots movement founded and largely based in Cebu, Philippines, aiming to help mitigate climate change, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and making clean energy more accessible and affordable in uplifting the lives of the less privileged of the grid communities.
Mga Kaya Organization advocates for the education and welfare of every child with disability. Project Mga Kaya ensures to provide educational services, promotes community support, and disability awareness to fulfill diversity and inclusion in society.
We're San Agustin Golden Eagle League, the premier tackle esports organization in Western Visayas.
The Unitas Esports League is an annual project that champions competition through gaming, community through our advocacies, and careers with education.
Hope Builders Organization Negros Island is a youth organization in Negros Occidental. Its Pagbasa May Pag-asa sa Pagbasa project aims to improve the reading skills of the underprivileged children in the province.
Filipino Home-Based Mom started as an online community that turned into a social enterprise with more than 365,000 young members globally. FH Moms initiatives are free training, internships and scholarships, job matching, and computer rent-to-own program.
Hi! Sulong Philippines is a non-profit youth organization that advocates for the eradication of gender-based violence in the Philippines and world. Sulong Sandigan is our flagship project that refers victim survivors to free legal advice and psychological aid, among other services.
Hi! Innovations for Community Health is an NGO and a laboratory for future public health leaders and nation builders. Kalinga Health is our social enterprise that aims to find and treat the missing tuberculosis cases in the Philippines.
Krishana Islam Peace Library is a non-profit organization that promotes peace through education and youth leadership. Our project is bringing together Philippines has trained 500 young Filipino leaders and supports them through
That is empowering advocates for sustainable environment with our project Pin Formation Drive that aims to educate the youth and the community. Is be with you.
Hi, I'm from Tabang Ticket, an organization that was once a donation drive initiative but is now working hand in hand with the urban poor communities through organizing the tricycle drivers, empowering their housewives, and assisting the education of their children through our project Nilaro.
Andam Higala is a youth-led non-profit and volunteer organization that advocates for the health and security of women and children. One of its projects is Andam EBA 2.0, a capability building and financial enabling project for the scholar mothers of Cagayan de Oro.
Mindanao Pride, a Mindanao-based LGBTIQA organization, #Kultura sa Gugma, a campaign utilizes the power of storytelling of acceptance, individuality, and self-love in the promised land, Mindanao.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the 19th Search for 10 Accomplished Youth Organizations in the Philippines.
Labing-siyam na taon na pagpupugay sa mga likha at inisyatibo ng ating mga kabataan.
19 na taon sa pagkilala ng iba't ibang organisasyon na tumutulong sa mga komunidad ng ating bansa.
19 na taon ng pagbibigay parangal sa galing at husay ng kabataang Pilipino.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Welcome to the 19th Search for 10 Accomplished Youth Organizations in the Philippines, co-presented by Tayo Awards Foundation, Coca-Cola Foundation Philippines, and San Miguel Corporation, supported by the U.S. Embassy in the Philippines and YC Lee Philippines. Ako po si Von Jacob.
At ako naman po si Ayodi. And we are your hosts for this year's Tayo Awards. The 2021 Tayo Awards received a staggering 933 entries, 67 of which proceeded to the validation interviews, 40 made it to the expert screening, and 20 have been selected as national finalists.
The 2021 theme, Ahon, is a call for the youth to continue finding hope in everything that they do that will help the nation move past this challenging time. As the familiar Filipino phrase reminiscent of the organization's name, aahon tayo.
Now, the honor of welcoming us all to this occasion lies with no less than our biggest supporters. We begin with the Vice President for Corporate Affairs of San Miguel Corporation, Biskin Lichauco. A virtual round of applause, please.
Good evening, everybody. This is the second year we celebrate Tayo, the awards night, virtually. One day, I hope next year we will all be in a theater again, GSIS or some maybe Manila Diamond, and I hope to meet you then. Just to say that maybe there's a lot of things that we can say about 2020 and 2021, most of it bad. There's been so much anxiety all around about COVID, about the politics that, are the order of the day, lost jobs, families sort of having to cope with what's going on. So lots of worrying things. But I have to say, when I joined the judging session just a couple of days ago, I saw reason to hope. And you are the thing that sort of tells me that we are going to be okay. When I see the enthusiasm and the hopefulness and the optimism that each of your groups represent, it gives me reason to hope. So I'm just here today to say congratulations to all of you for making it this far. Thank you so much for not giving up on our country, for wanting to make it better, for wanting to make better outcomes for each and every Filipino. We are inspired by you. We are grateful for you, and we hope to meet you very soon. From San Miguel, from Christine, from Amaris, and myself, good luck tonight, and God bless you all. Thank you very much to the organizers, Trisha, Carl, Senbam, everybody involved with Tayo. This is one of the awards that we really enjoy sponsoring, and San Miguel will be your partner through this year and the next and the next. God bless, and see you soon.
Thank you so much, Ms. Ken Lichauco, the Vice President for Corporate Affairs of San Miguel Corporation. Alam mo, Ayo, si Ms. Ken, matagal na natin yan nakakasama sa Tayo, kaya patuloy tayo nagpapasalamat sa kanilang suporta para sa Tayo Awards. And now, also one from our co-presenters to share their mission of supporting causes for a better shared future. We welcome the President of the Coca-Cola Foundation Philippines, Ms. Cecile Alcantara.
Hello, Tayo 19 finalists. I would like to congratulate all of you, all 20 youth organizations who made it to the national finals. This year, we are also celebrating the amazing works of 933 organizations who applied to Tayo, another record-breaking high in Tayo's history. We are forever inspired by your stories. Your stories of hope prove how the youth of today can use their resources, whether through digital efforts or volunteering physically, to contribute to our society, from environmental advocates to health, education, and even agriculture. Ipinakita nyo na kaya nating umahon sa anumang dala ng panahon. Your stories keep us going at Coca-Cola Foundation. We are always proud to be one of the long-term partners of the Tayo Awards. Tayo has grown to more than just an award-giving body. It has also become a bridge for organizations like yours to collaborate and work together for the country. We hope this continues even beyond the awards. I hope that you use this Tayo experience to go beyond good for your members, your communities, and for our beloved country. Sama-sama, aahon tayo para sa pagbigay ng pag-asa. Tuloy tayo!
Maraming salamat, Ms. Cecile Alcantara. 19 na taon at nandito pa rin sila. Ang ating founders ay may mga mensahe rin para sa ating lahat. Simulan natin with the co-founder of Tayo Awards Foundation and the chairman of Kaya Natin Movement for Good Governance and Ethical Leadership, Senator Bam Aquino.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Unang-una gusto ko pong sabihin na natutuwa po talaga ako na nakapag-uusap po tayo kahit nasa isang pandemic po tayo. It's such an honor to see all of you young Filipinos with so much potential reach this point of accomplishment. And syempre, I'd like to welcome everyone here to the Tayo family. Mga kaibigan, today is the culmination of a truly inspiring week. Maraming bagay pa rin po sa ating paligid ang patuloy na nagbibigay ng inspirasyon at ngiti sa kabila ng napakaraming paghihirap na pinagdadaanan ng ating bayan ngayon. Bago po ang lahat, gusto ko pong ibahagi na hindi pa rin po ako na makapaniwala na 19 years na ang Tayo. 19 years na po ang nakalipas pero hindi pa rin natatapos ang kwento ng mga kinakabahan sa final interview, ang mga naluluha sa judging, mga nabubuong pagkakaibigan at mga mukha na gulat o namamangha dahil sa mga napakagaling at napakagandang proyektong ginagawa po ninyo. Sino mag-aakala po na mula sa isang maliit na grupo at maliit na opisina ng NYC, mabubuo ang Tayo? Nagsimula po ito noon bilang isang hangarin na mabigyan ng tamang pagkilala yung mga grupo ng kabataan na gumagawa at nagsusulong ng mga proyekto para sa kanilang komunidad. Ngayon po, nakikita natin how Tayo has become truly a movement in our country. We never would have imagined all these amazing initiatives and programs that are helping communities and uplifting the lives of Filipino families today, especially now that our country is in a crisis. Talaga pong nakaka-inspire maging bahagi ng kwento ng Tayo over the last 19 years. Kaya ngayong araw po, let me share 4 important lessons we've learned throughout our meaningful 19-year journey. Ang 4 na lesson po na yon ay TAYO o Tayo. T, there is honor in what you do. Remember that all of these wonderful projects were accomplished by young people like yourselves. Ang tanging puhunan at lakas po ninyo ay ang pagmamahal natin sa ating kapwa. A, always go back to your why. There may be times that you feel tired, you feel exhausted, you feel unappreciated, or you could even fail. But going back to our why, going back to the core reason why we're doing what we're doing, that will help us continue, fight the good fight. Why? You are never alone in this journey. Libo-libo, daan-daan at libo-libo po ang mga kabataang Pilipino na gumagawa ng kabutihan sa kanilang komunidad. Young people are trying to make a difference like yourselves. Kaya nabuo po ang Tayo para magbigay daan sa pagbubuklod ng mga grupo at kabataang yan. You are never alone. And lastly, only by working together can we make a difference. Katulad po ng aking paniniwala noon pa man, at katulad ng mga mahalagang pangyayari sa ating kasaysayan, nakita ho natin kung magsasama-sama, magtutulong-tulungan, lahat po kaya nating magawa ng paraan. Nakakagawa po tayo ng mga malalaki at importanteng pagbabago sa ating lipunan kung tayo po ay magsasama-sama at magtutulungan. In the last 19 years, we've built a vast network of bright stars lighting up the darkness in the Philippines. We've built wide, strong, and open bridges that have helped better the lives of our countrymen. Kaya mga kaibigan, kahit sino pa po ang manalo sa araw na ito, I just want to say congratulations. We're very proud of each and every one of you. We're very proud of each and every one in your organizations. Kayo po yung nagbibigay sa amin ng inspirasyon na ituloy rin po yung laban namin at laban nating lahat para sa ating bayan. So I hope we can all continue to find ways to work together now and of course in the future. At gusto ko po muli magpasalamat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat at maraming salamat sa inyo pong patuloy na pagmamahal sa ating bayan. Mabuhay po ang tayo, mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino.
Thank you so much, Senator Bam Aquino. Alam mo, ay nabanggit ni Senator Bam in one of our events during this Tayo Week na para daw silang may binata't dalaga na dahil Tayo 1 pa lang ay nandito na sila at nasa Tayo 19 na tayo. Now, one of our greatest believers of what the Filipino youth can do, please help us welcome another co-founder of the foundation and the Senator of the Republic of the Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, the Honorable Senator Francis Kiko Pangilinan.
Magandang araw sa ating lahat. Isang malugod na pagbati sa mga organisasyon sumali sa Tayo Awards ngayong taon. At happy 19th year din sa masisipag na organizers ng Tayo. Karangalan kong makasama ang tulad ninyong nagsusulong ng pagbabago sa kanya-kanyang pamaraan sa gitna ng pandemya at iba pang mga higanteng pagsubok. Ngayon pa lang, lahat kayo ay panalo na sa pagsisikap na hanapan ng solusyon ang mga hamon na kinakaharap ng ating bansa. Nang magsimula ang lockdown dahil sa COVID-19 pandemic, pwede namang tayong nasa bahay lang, nanonood ng paboritong K-pop o anime, nagti-TikTok o kaya babad sa social media. Buong araw sa Netflix at yung may pambili, add to cart lang. But we know that while confined in our homes, not everything is calm outside. Maraming mga pagsubok. Marami ang nawalan ng trabaho. Marami ang nagkakasakit. Marami rin ang namatay. At habang hinaharap ang COVID, may balitang pangungurakot pa sa gobyerno. Hindi tama. Humaharap tayo sa pinakamatinding krisis pang-ekonomiya sa loob ng 40 taon. Hinaharap din natin ang pinakamatinding krisis pangkalusugan sa ating bansa sa loob ng 100 taon. Sa iba't ibang panahon at pagkakataon, may bagay at pangyayari na gigising sa atin. And I believe all have the innate compassion. The opportunity to help is always present. Start where we are. Do what we can. Use what we have. Sabi nga, just do it. Throughout our history, it is the youth that has led our people in our struggle for freedom. At 26, Jose Rizal wrote his first novel, Noli Me Tangere. Marcelo Del Pilar helped lead the propaganda movement at 32. Matanda na nga siya, considering. Si Andres Bonifacio led the Katipunan at 26. General Emilio Aguinaldo was 29 when he became the first president of the Philippine Republic. Apolinario Mabini, the brains of the revolution, was 34. Antonio Luna was general at 29. Gregorio del Pilar gave his life for his country at 24. Emilio Jacinto was 16 when he wrote the Cartilla of the Katipunan. During the American administration, the youth led the nation in our parliamentary struggle for independence. During the dark years of the Japanese occupation, many young men and women in Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao joined the resistance movement against the invader. Wenceslao Vinzons, for example, became a guerrilla. He was former student council president of the University of the Philippines before the war broke out. When Marcos declared martial law, the best and the brightest of the nation's youth went underground and gave their all for the sake of freedom and democracy. Edgar Hopson, Eman Lacaba, among others. Kami naman, at the tail end of the Marcos dictatorship, naging student leader at student activist sa UP Diliman at naging isa sa mga leader estudyante ng kilusang kabataan. Today, the challenge for the Filipino youth of this nation, hounded by the pandemic, poverty, joblessness, injustice, corruption, to dedicate a part of their lives to a cause bigger than themselves, for their fellow men and women. Ngayon ang ating panahon, pinakamalaking hamon ang parating na eleksyon at nasa kamay natin ang paghalal ng mga tamang leader para sa ating bansa. Hindi ito pwede parang exam sa school na pwedeng manghula ng sagot. Kailangan pag-aralan ang mga kandidato para tamang tao ang iboboto. Kapag mali at hindi karapat-dapat ang nailagay sa balota, lahat tayo magdudusa. Kaya ang pagboto ay dapat parang pag-ibig, hindi nabibili, masusing pinipili. Sa inyong murang edad, malaking bagay na ang inyong nagawa sa inyong komunidad. Patuloy kayong manindigan at magsikap. Magpahinga kung pagod, pero huwag titigil, huwag susuko. Ito ang panahon ng sama-samang pagkilos, paninindigan at pagtataya. Muli, congratulations sa lahat ng kalahok sa Tayo Awards at patuloy sana kayong maging inspirasyon sa iba pang kabataang Pilipino at sa lahat ng Pilipino. Maraming salamat. Magandang araw.
Thank you very much, Senator Kiko Pangilinan.
Ayan, nagpapasalamat tayo sa lahat ng ating co-presenters and of course our co-founders na kabahagi na ng kwento ng Tayo simula Tayo 1 pa lamang. So Ayo, imagine, we have around 5,000 entries already from Tayo 1 to Tayo 19 and around 400 national finalists already.
Grabe, ang dami ng adaptive innovations na talagang pinush through nitong mga grupo ng mga kabataang ito. Pero Von, bago ang lahat, punta muna tayo sa ating friends, alumni ng Tayo Foundation, a group of young artists, students that advocate on the promotion, preservation, and safeguarding of culture and heritage through different art forms. Please welcome on Tayo 19 stage, the Cuartero National High School Taliamba Ensemble.
May manok akong barbon, umitlog daw kulon, bumuto daw dapaw, maiwat puguhon.
Dito sa idalom kadapog, may uti na nagangurong, ginaboy ko sang tagob, angunin niya daw daguon.
Pagkikita ko sa imo, doan nyo ta ikaw si paon, kay ang binagang ko nga dayo ginuubos mo ikaon.
Sa amon nga bukid, may tambo nga nagaligid, sinugata sang ulang kag pasayan, sinaputi sang takway kag tagabang.
Balita, balita, sa radyo nga guba, may subay nga nadula, sa diin bala nakita, sa suba nagkakaya-kaya.
Sing,
ginhaboy ko sang luya nahimo nga prinsesa. Paglakbay ko sa amon balay, ikaw nanawag kag na maypay. Natulugan ako nga dili madugay, gindamgo ko ikaw pinalanggang tunay.
Kami ang malupis ko, presidente sa panglayo. Sa kami ko, malapit sa pagkakasulong. Pagkaagas ang banwan, napananakit ang amoy na bagat. Pagbuyan sa doraman, at sa loksan ko magulang. Sinilip kami kanina, ang sumitis ko na kung sa lupa. Wala ginsing swerte, eskwela ang nagkanibig. Wala ginsing swerte, eskwela ang nagkanibig.
Pagsampot mo nunoy sa amon ugsaran, daan tagid ikaw gin balibaran. Kay wala gusto nga ginikanan, lumis mo lawas pati kauturan.
Tatlo ka bukid ang akon ginlakbay. Leon kag tigre ang akon nakaaway. Mapasabat ka lang, o inday.
Ang gugma mo nunoy, may tatlo kakalidad. May pula, may asul, sa tunga ang dalag. Mapatay ka lang nunoy sa pagpanghagad. Bato nun tagaling kung mamunga ang tanglad.
Inday nga mulaw-mulaw, sugiran ko ikaw. Ang sapat nga bao, mahinay magpanaw. Halin sa Iloilo, kaglapaw sa dumaraw. Kapareho mo ya bao, mahinay gid magpanaw.
Dito sa bintana, may nagatubo nga iba. Kung sino makatangla, nagalaway ang baba. Ang mga sultero, lunsagid bugalon, makadto sa baybay, mamulot bagumon, isulod sa bulsa, kagligay-ligayon, agod hambalod sandang nga unga kamanggaran.
Dito sa bubon, may tatlo kabitoon. Kung ako ang papilion, sa tunga gid ang ako.
Thank you so much to Cuartero National High School Talyamba and Sam for that very wonderful performance. Ngayon, ang kwento ng pag-ahon ay nakikita natin sa iba't ibang organisasyon na nakasama na natin sa simula pa lang ng Tayo 19. Sa gitna ng pandemya, sila ang naging inspirasyon natin na umahon. Narito ang kanilang mensahe para sa ating lahat. Mga kaibigan, ang Tayo 19 National Finalists.
Gisingin na ang diwa, salubungin ang umaga, handa ka na ba?
Kita ang paglaom sa kada kababainhan na nakabati o kalisdanan. Magpadayon kitang mamahimong instrumento para sa mas malungtarong komunidad para sa kababainhan.
Tayo ang magpapatuloy sa kwento ng pag-asa at pagbabayanihan. Aahon tayo na magkakasama para sa bayan at para sa mga bata.
Tayo ang sandigan, ang pag-asa at ang pagbabago. Sulong para sa hustisya at paghilom.
Si tayo, ket nalibtak iti serbisyo, tumulong tayo. Werpa ang kabataang Pinoy.
Kita, rumatuod nga kusog at kahayag. Mag-ugyon kita,
Dahil para gidra sa atong manaming nga hinaga.
Kita ang paglaom sa kaugmaon. Magpadayon kita sa pagpasiugda sa tawhanong katungod.
Tayo ang simula. Magkaagapay tayo patungo sa pag-unlad na hinahangad.
Tayo ang solusyon sa namamatay ng profesyon. Gamitin ang ating lakas at talino para ipagpatuloy ang pagsasaka sa mga susunod pang henerasyon.
We are the change makers. Together, let's continue sharing the light of hope.
Tayo ang magbibigay daan para sa magandang kinabukasan ng sambayanan.
We are the new generation of student gamers in the Philippines, showing society that our actions can go beyond the game, and we're not just play.
Kita ang kaugmaon. Lihok, kinaiyahan o kabatanunan atong higugmaon.
Tayo ang mag-aahon para malinang ang kultura ng ating mga katutubo. Padayon, kabataang Pilipino.
Tayo ang solusyon. Sama-sama tayo sa muling pagbibigay pag-asa para sa mga kabataang Pilipino.
Tayo ang magbubuklod sa bagong umaga. Sisiguraduhin walang maiiwan at lahat makakasama.
We're all peace builders through our action, our words, and our thoughts. So let's be extremely together every day to do our best to be peace builders in our school, in our community, and in our family.
We are the change we are longing, fighting, and aspiring for. Let's uplift the lives of underprivileged and neglected Filipinos, one act of kindness at a time.
Tayo ang mga kampyon ng isang mas malusog na bukas. Sama-sama nating abutin ang ating kolektibong health vision para sa bawat isang Pilipino dahil ako, ikaw, tayo ay para sa kalusugan.
Tayo ang magtataguyod ng dekalidad at abot kayang serbisyong pangkalusugan ng bawat Pilipino. Iangat natin ang antas ng kalusugang pangkalahatan.
Tayo ang solusyon sa isang mas malinis na kalikasan. Pumapadayon ta para sa bayan, para sa kabataan, at para sa inang kalikasan.
Sabay nating suyuin, mahirap na pagkakaisa sa pagsikat ng bagong araw. Buong pusong isigaw na tayo ang pagbabago. Tayo ang pagbabago. Tayo ang pagbabago.
Ladies and gentlemen, those our Tayo 19 national finalists. Alright, so kumustahin muna natin sila ngayong gabi, Ayo, no? Welcome to our Tayo 19 national finalists. Hi guys, good evening.
Ayan,
Hello, good evening. Peace be with you.
Ayan, welcome po natin sila sa ating mga Zoom screens ngayong gabi. Kamusta kayong lahat ngayong gabi? Hello everybody, kamusta kayo?
Okay, kinakabahan.
Sino dito yung mga hindi nakatulog kagabi?
Present, di nakatulog.
Ang dami nilang hindi nakatulog. Sino naman dito yung mga hanggang ngayon namamasa yung mga palad?
Ako po, basang-basa pala po. Parang waterfalls. Opo.
Ayan, sige. Kumustahin muna natin yung ilang mga members ng ating national finalists tonight, no, Ayo? So, siguro yung first question natin, how's the entire experience for you guys so far? Siguro we can ask si V from Andam Higala.
Hello, yes po. Maayong gabi sa tanan. Gananan, diri sa ato. So, good evening for the City of Golden Friendship. Ay, grabe. Para po talaga siyang isang roller coaster ride kasi up and down. Siguro just to summarize everything, yung experience po talaga namin, it's fun. It's because marami kaming nakilala. At the same time, we were able to share our stories to our Higalas who are also with us in Tayo. So, I think that's it po. Thank you so much po for this opportunity.
Thank you so much, V. Pakinggan naman natin yung iba from your batchmates. Si Nicole. Nicole from Innovations for Community Health.
Hi, yeah. Agree ako kay Vino. It's very overwhelming. Grabe yung journey. Like from July na parang nag-submit lang kami ng isang form tapos nakakarating na kami dito sa parang nationals. Tapos I guess the highlight is really parang meeting, youth din na parang sobrang
grabe yung mga kwento nila. Kasi di ba kami health, tapos it's just so grabe. Sana may mga bonding moments pa kami.
Talagang rinig na rinig natin yung excitement sa boses ni V. Tanungin naman natin kung ano yung most memorable moment ni Ham from Mindanao Pride.
Hello, magandang gabi, maayong gabi sa iyong tanan. Well, yung memorable experience ko siguro is yung expert screening. Kasi parang first time kong parang in a way na makakita ng parang online na interview. So medyo kinabahan tayo doon mga Mars. Pero nailaban naman po natin. Maraming
Nailaban, correct.
Mahigpit ang labanan, pero kinabahan talaga.
Correct. At nailaban. Yun yung mahalaga. Sige, tanongin natin naman sa memorable moments ng kanyang journey, si Aaron from Sage.
Yeah, actually, yung pinaka-memorable for me was the gamified Coke Barkada Day. So, ayun, Coke Day was last day. So, ayun, it was crazy. It was an hour of just, team building over the internet. And we're very lucky to have, big brains on our team, especially Miss Pratt, Miss Trisha. So, ayun, I call her Miss Pat. So, ayun, that's my favorite moment.
Ayan, nakita ko rin full force din sila Gia from Makakaya Organization. Ayan, Gia, kamusta kayo dyan? Ayan, nag-unmute pa si Gia. Kaya mo yan, Gia. Let's go. Gia, are you there? Ayan. Hintayin lang natin. Tingnan natin kung makaka-unmute siya. Habang hinihintay natin si Gia, kausapin naman natin si Franco. Ayan, si Franco from Cabasalan National High School. Hi, Franco.
Hello po. So, ganito pa rin. Kabado pa rin hanggang ngayon. Gabi pa halos hindi makatulog. Pati ngayon, parang mamanhit yung katawan ko sa kaba.
Alam mo, Von, bukod kasi dun sa contributions, yung mga natutunan nila sa mga projects ng isa't isa, ang maganda dito sa every batch ng tayo ay nakakabuo sila ng meaningful friendships.
Correct. Actually, baka nga may more than meaningful friendships dito. So may mga love team ba tayo dito sa Tayo 19 batch?
Oo nga, sino kaya yung inyong mga friends?
Sino yung mga pwede mag-spill ng konting information sa atin dyan? Or ayaw natin gawin on Facebook Live? Okay, siguro lang. Chat na lang siguro natin sa ating Zoom chat dyan. Alright, so si Gia. Gia, are you back? Para naman makamusta natin ang full force from Makakaya Organization. Ayan, I think wala. Okay, we'll try to get back to Gia later. Pero try naman natin kumustahin si Sam from Project Smile. Hi, Sam!
Hello, good evening sa inyong lahat. I guess I share everybody's sentiments, no, na sobrang kabado, but at the same time, very grateful and honored na kasama kami sa Tayo Batch 2019.
Ayan, sige, we'll try to get to everybody later on. Alam kong very, very excited na kayo sa mga mangyayari tonight. And of course, alam kong very, very excited na rin kayo na marinig ang ilan sa mga resultang babanggitin natin ngayong gabi. Kaya simulan siguro natin, Ayo, no?
O siya, ito na talaga. Before we get to the very heart of this event, we will now move on to our awarding of our special awards in this year's search. These special awardees are chosen by our partners and are given to the organization that they think furthers their individual missions as institutions, corporate organizations, and public offices. Our first special award is the Tayo Videos People's Choice Award. Tayo Awards Foundation believes that videos and stories move people from emotion to action. And so the Tayo Videos People's Choice Awards is given to the youth organizations who captured and inspired their audiences to be in the habit of bayanihan. Our Tayo Videos People's Choice awardees are...
Ayan, excited na ba kayong marinig kung sino ang ating awardees for the Tayo Videos People's Choice Award? Taas kamay naman from the Zoom.
Mukhang nafa-flood ang ating Facebook Live chat.
Correct. So comment lang po kayo. And again, don't forget to share our Facebook Live with the hashtag Tayo19 and hashtag Aahon Tayo. Alright, so for our third place for the Tayo Videos People's Choice Award, the third place goes to The Street Classroom. Congratulations! Yes, kitang-kita ang excitement at happiness nila Kyle from The Street Classroom. Congratulations!
At eto naman, isa pang maraming fans online, ha? The Tayo Videos People's Choice Award goes to Andam Higala.
Congratulations to Andam Higala, si Lavian, our second place for the Tayo Videos People's Choice Awards. Ayan, flash natin si V on the screen. Si V na hindi makapaniwala and parang nagwawala na from her place now. Congratulations to V and the entire team of Andam Higala. And now, for our first place for the Tayo Videos People's Choice Award. Congratulations to Sulong Philippines. Alright, congratulations, Hannah and the entire team. Ayan. Congratulations, kayo ang first place natin for the Tayo Videos People's Choice Award. Alright, and now, our second special award is the Georgina P. Nava Leadership Award. To present the award, may we call in on our screen, Miss Jordan Barbara Nava.
Miss Georgina Nava wanted to make a difference in the society, one life, one community at a time. This year, I would like to acknowledge the youth organization who wanted to make the community more accepting, more loving, and more inclusive. With pride, I would like to announce that the Georgina P. Nava Leadership Award goes to Mindanao Pride.
Alright, congratulations, Mindanao Pride!
Eto na, our third special award is from the office of Senator Kiko Pangilinan with the Kilos Ko Youth Award for Agriculture. This year's Kilos Ko Award is given to this organization for their outstanding contribution and commitment to empowering the agriculture sector through agri-entrepreneurship. This is to mitigate the long-standing problem of unemployment and poverty. The Kilos Ko Award special citation for agri-enterprise goes to Farmbox.
Congratulations, Farmbox! Ayan, si Lester very happy with I know for sure yung mga members ng Farmbox ay sobrang saya din. Alright, and of course, may dagdag kaming pasabog tonight sa inyong lahat. This year, we're adding a new set of special awards. Our fourth special award is from the Asia Foundation with their Youth-Led Democracy Award to be presented by their Youth Leadership Development Specialist, Mr. Emil Tapnio.
The Asia Foundation and USAID, through the Youth Leadership for Democracy program, or Youth-Led, believes in a genuine collective action and political participation of Filipino youth to advance democratic governance. This year, we are honored to confer the first Youth-Led Democracy Award to an initiative being led by youth and for the youth. Congratulations to Chris Cristiano Islam Peace Library Incorporated. Youth-Led and Chris share the same values and commitment to develop Filipino youth by building avenues that cultivate a cycle of peace and empowerment. On behalf of the Asia Foundation, USAID, and Youth-Led, congratulations to Chris. Padayon para sa mga kabataang Pilipino.
Congratulations once again. Our fifth special award is from one of our biggest supporters, the U.S. Embassy in the Philippines with the YSEALI Unified Award. This is given in honor of the organization's ingenuity, courage, passion, and determination to uplift the lives of others. Our YSEALI Unified awardee is Makakaya Organization.
Congratulations to Makakaya Organization for our YSEALI Unified Award. Of course, our co-presenters also have to recognize their chosen organization. That's why we have the San Miguel's Better World Award, and it's given to the organization that champions their mission in doing good better. This year, San Miguel Better World Award is given to Sulong Philippines. Congratulations, Sulong Philippines, our San Miguel Better World Awardee.
Ito naman from Coca-Cola Foundation Philippines. To present their Coke Barkada Award, please welcome Ms. Cecile Alcantara.
The Coke Barkada Award is a special recognition given to the Tayo finalist that shares our passion to improve the well-being of communities through projects that are aligned with the Coca-Cola Company's sustainability priorities. This year's Coke Barkada awardee has addressed a very important need in their community and is aligned with the advocacies closest to our heart: water stewardship, and environmental conservation. By going beyond good in protecting their local watershed through strong partnerships with the LGU and community members, winning a 30,000 peso cash grant, the 2021 Coke Barkada Award goes to Cabasalan National High School, Yes-O. Congratulations!
To Franco and his team. Very emotional si Franco tonight, our Coke Barkada awardee. Congratulations. And of course, congratulations to this year's Tayo 19 special awardees. Everybody give yourselves a big, big round of applause. Ayan, kitang-kita namin kayong lahat sa Zoom screen tonight. I know a lot of people are very, very emotional then. We hope you continue your mission to create safe spaces for the environment, democracy, leadership, and other advocacies that make this world a much, much, much better place.
Sobrang well-deserved ng mga awards na ito. But before we begin with the awarding of our 10 accomplished youth organizations, let us relax for a moment and be entertained by our Tayo 14 alumni. This school-based theater group promotes peace and cultural understanding through performance arts. All the way from Sulu. Please welcome the Ingat Kapandayan Artist Center.
Lupa suku kana sahayaan andu.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuhu, and welcome to Sulu. We are the Ingat Kapandayan Artist Center, and we are one of the winners of 14 Tayo and Tayo ASEAN in 2017 from Notre Dame Apollo College, Holo, Sulu. Today, we will show to you our dance, the Pangalay. If you don't know, Pangalay is a fingernail dance mostly performed by us, the Usug. And there is a Pangalay-based dance called Lingisan. It is like the movement.
thank you so much to Ingat Kapandayan Artist Center for that very wonderful performance. Ngayon, balikan muna natin ang ating national finalists. Kamustahin muna natin sila ayon after we've heard the special awardees for the night. So, siguro pwede natin tanongin yung ilan sa ating mga special awardees.
Ano nang pakiramdam ngayong mas malapit na tayo sa totoong awarding? Unahin muna natin si Lester from Farmbox. Ito ay awardee ng Kilos Ko Youth Award. Hello, Lester!
Hello, good evening.
Kamusta, Lester? How's the feeling?
It's very surreal kasi we are expecting here to just spread the message with regards to agriculture, but we are so much overwhelmed already, and being surrounded by this all youth na sobrang very passionate for their every causes. It's a fulfilling it's very fulfilling for us.
Thank you so much, Lester. Kamustahin naman natin si Franco from Cabasalan National High School. Hi, Franco.
Hello po.
Kamusta? Sumasabog na ba yung group
Overwhelmed pa rin po.
chat mo dahil nagko-congratulate na ang inyong mga teammates? Si Franco hanggang ngayon hindi pa rin makapaniwala. Franco, how are you?
Overwhelmed pa rin po. Hindi lang po makapaniwala na yung halos 8 taon na pagsisikap namin for the preservation and protection of our watershed. Parang
naiiyak na siya.
Ngayon na-recognize na. Nabigyan na ng recognition. So salamat. Para po to sa lahat ng mga lifeguards, sa lahat ng mga sumusuporta sa amin, ng mga partners namin, sa school namin. Para po to sa inyong lahat.
Yes, that was a very well-deserved award. Congratulations, Franco, and to your team. Yung iba namang national finalists, Ayo, kumustahin naman natin kung anong nararamdaman nila.
Oo nga, si Sam.
Ayan, si Samboy from Alpha. Ayan, so natakamusta natin si Sam. So we have Samboy naman here from Alpha. Samboy, kamusta?
Hello po. So, as of now, while waiting para ma-announce yung 10, super kinakabahan pa rin. Actually, kanina tulog lang ako ng tulog kasi ayokong maramdaman yung kaba until now. But yeah, I'm really glad din na makita na ma-awardan din yung mga special organizations natin here for their efforts na binibigay nila for our community. Nakakatuwa na balik-balikan at i-celebrate kung ano yung kakayahan ng mga kabataang Pilipino para sa bayan. So, yun lang po siguro sa akin.
Thank you, Sam.
Grabe, no? I mean, yung makarating ka dito sa finalist ng Tayo Awards, isang malaking karangalan at panalong-panalo na kayong lahat.
Definitely. Kumustahin naman natin si Ai from For Our Farmers PH. Ai, kamusta? How are you?
Magandang gabi. Tama ako, agree ako kay Sam na sobrang nakaka-proud na makita at marinig yung special awards kanina na kahit hindi pa namin nakikita ang isa't isa, nararamdaman namin na kasama kami or kakampi kami ng mga lahat ng youth organizations na ito sa mga sinusulong nilang advokasya. So maraming salamat at excited din kami. Relate ako dun sa pasmadong kamay at di makatulog kanina. At alam ko na relate ng lahat ng ating finalists. So good luck sa ating lahat, guys, at panalo tayong lahat dito sa Tayo.
Ayan, no? Huwag ka mag-alala ay pagkatapos itong pandemic or pagkalahat ba kayo bakunado na, mas marami na tayong chance para magkita-kita.
Correct. Kamustahin naman natin si Kyle. Kyle from the street classroom. Si Kyle, very, very mataas ang energy lagi. Kyle, kamusta ang feeling?
Hello po, magandang gabi. Very happy kami because it took us 3 years to reach the national final. Nag-start kami ng Tayo journey namin during Tayo 17 and ngayon we are still sharing the stories of our communities para maipakita namin sa ibang tao na kahit tayo ay kabataan, marami tayong magagawa.
And last but not the least, bago tayo pumunta dun sa ating main awarding, kamustahin naman natin si Ryle from East Org.
Ayan, Ryle.
Hello, mga kalikasang pagbati po sa ating lahat. Is be with you.
Is be with you
Alright.
too.
Sobra yung kaba ko, maabot sa 3rd floor ng langit. But gusto ko lang sabihin na ako'y nagpapasalamat at kasama ng aming organization is sa bumubuo ng Tayo. Hindi namin in-expect na mangyayari to. We just have this activity, the Bin Formation Drive, to share our advocacy, to empower the youth and the community, at bonus na itong tayo. Congratulations sa ating lahat. Mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino. Mabuhay ang mamamayan at kabataan ng San Francisco, Agusan del Sur.
Ayan, thank you so much, Ryle. And hindi na natin makakamusta lahat, no? Pero alam naman nating lahat na alam kong yung kaba nyo ay may halong excitement din.
Ito pala ha, Von ha, and sa ating mga viewers, keep your comments coming sa ating Facebook Live. Ilang sandali na lamang malalaman na natin kung sino ang mga makakatanggap ng parangal from Tayo Awards this year.
Correct. Actually, ayaw humantong na tayo sa sandaling iyan ngayon. We have come to the highlight of our ceremonies. After many months of going through different levels of screening, we have arrived to recognizing our 10 accomplished youth organizations. The honor of announcing our Tayo 19 awardees is with no less than the Executive Director of the Tayo Awards Foundation. Ladies and gentlemen and friends, let's all welcome Ms. Patricia Matute.
Bago tayo magsimula, hinga munang malalim, finalists. Parang ako din yung kinakabahan. Pero ngayong gabi, kikilalanin natin ang 10 natatanging youth organizations mula 2019 hanggang 2021. Mga grupo na bago pa man magpandemya hanggang sa ngayon, ay patuloy na hinahamong baguhin ang kanilang mga komunidad. From 933 project entries to 67 validation interview qualifiers, 40 semifinalists, 20 national finalists, and now 10 accomplished youth organizations. Wait lang, ako rin ata yung medyo pinagpapawisan. Everyone, with great honor from the rest of the Secretariat and our national panel of judges, we will be announcing 2021's 10 accomplished youth organizations. The first Tayo Award goes to the organization that equips, empowers women across life experiences. Ayan na. The Tayo Award goes to FH Moms from Taguig City. Congratulations, FH Moms. The second Tayo Award goes to the youth group that champions peace and equality. The Tayo Award goes to Cristiano Islam Peace Library from Quezon City. Congratulations, Ariza. The third Tayo Award goes to the youth organization that ensures a humane livelihood for all. The Tayo Award goes to Tabang Sikad from Cagayan de Oro City. Congratulations. Congratulations, Erike. The fourth Tayo Award goes to the youth organization that makes sure no sector gets left behind. The Tayo Award goes to Farmbox from Calaca, Batangas. Congratulations, Lester.
This award is a validation for us that we are creating and impacting more lives for our community and for our farmers. We want to thank tayo and also from our special awards that the Chiefs of Pangilinan and team. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Lester. Congratulations. Please send our warmest congratulations to the rest of your team. The fifth Tayo Award goes to the youth group, the champion sustainability. The Tayo Award goes to Kabasalan National High School Yes Organization.
Tulong na maaari nating ibigay upang mapanatili yung pagkakaroon ng isang malinis na tubig na meron tayo. Hanggat mayroon po tayong positibong pananaw at taos-pusong adikain na tumulong para gumawa ng isang hakbang patungo sa pagbabago. Tiyak po na maipapamana pa natin ang isang malinis na tubig na ating tinatamasa sa kasalukuyan patungo po sa lupon ng mga kabataan sa hinaharap. Maraming salamat po.
Salamat, Poy Poy. Bago tayo mag-move forward, hinga muna ulit ng malalim. Okay. The 6th Tayo Award goes to the youth organization that challenges the norm. The Tayo Award goes to San Agustin Golden Eagle Esports from Iloilo City. Congratulations, everyone!
Sorry, that's how we celebrate. Very, very thankful for the award. And again, as I said in the past few days, it's a huge responsibility to be in the gaming space. And yun nga, the best that we do is to guide the youth talaga in the coming years. Of course, we're changing Philippines one step at a time. Thank you so much.
Congratulations, Aaron. Congratulations to the rest of your team. Hi, guys. And now, the 7th Tayo Award goes to the youth group who advocates for justice and healing for the marginalized. The Tayo Award goes to Sulong Philippines from Pasig City. Congratulations!
Thank you so much, everybody. I have no words, but only one phrase to share for the community. Kasama kayo, susulong tayo para sa justisya at paghilom. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.
Salamat, Hana. Now, the 8th Tayo Award goes to the youth organization who flourishes on collaborating across sectors and communities. The Tayo Award goes to Alliance of Public Health Advocates from San Pablo, Laguna. Congratulations, Samboy!
Maraming salamat po sa Tayo Awards. Inaalay po namin yung awards po nito para sa bawat isang kabataang San Pableño sa lahat ng sektor na nakaisa sa Ako Initiative. Ang tagumpay ng Ako Initiative ay nangangailangan na nagkakaisang tayo, and we would like to collaborate with different organizations still para po sa isang mas malusog na bukas para sa bawat isang Pilipino. Let's continue to move for a healthier Philippines, one Filipino community at a time. Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Sam. Now, the 9th Tayo Award goes to the youth organization who bridges communities to much needed services. The Tayo Award goes to Project Smile and Therawi from Cainta, Rizal.
Oh my God, thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa karangalan na ibinigay niyo sa aming organisasyon. So higit sa isang taon na rin palang aming samahan sa Accessible Assistance Alliance at sa maikling panahong iyon, napakarami naming pinagdaanan. Malayo pa man ang aming lalakbayin, hindi pa rin magbabago ang aming hangarin at layunin na ipaglaban ang karapatan ng mga batang may kapansanan at kanilang mga pamilya. Muli, maraming salamat po sa tayo at mabuhay ang Pilipinas.
Thank you, Sam, and congratulations to your whole team. Now, the 10th Tayo Award goes to the youth organization who, with all courage, shares their truth. The Tayo Award goes to Mindanao Pride from Cagayan de Oro City. Congratulations!
Oh my gosh, akala ko din kami tatawagin. Woo! Anyway, hindi araw-araw na ang isang LGBT organization po ay kinikilala po ng tayo, kaya isang malaking karangalan po para sa aming lahat. Nagpapasalamat po ako sa mga tao sa likod ng Kultura sa Gugma campaign. Mabuhay po ang kabataang Pilipino, mabuhay po ang LGBT community. Aahon tayong lahat. Maraming salamat tayo. Thank you.
Congratulations, Ham. Everyone, meet our 10 accomplished youth organizations for 2021. Mabuhay kayong lahat. Tonight, we are also celebrating the rest of the organizations that made Tayo 19 reach another record-breaking 933 entries received. Along with our 10 national awardees, we equally celebrate the 10 accomplished stories who made it to this year's Tayo 19 National Finals. First, for our Farmers PH from San Carlos, Pangasinan.
Magandang gabi. Congratulations sa lahat ng nanalo at patuloy po tayong makikibaka at hindi tayo mapapagod sa pagsulong para sa kinabukasan ng mga batang magsasaka.
Thank you, I. Next, I Saved from Solana, Cagayan.
Hi, thank you so much sa opportunity and congratulations. God bless.
Thank you, JM. Next, USLS College of Education Student Council, Bacolod, Negros Occidental.
Congratulations, everybody. On behalf of the USLS College of Education Student Council and the Lakbay Ata Project, we would like to give our deepest gratitude to Tayo 19 Awards for recognizing the efforts of our organization in promoting our advocacy on Indigenous people's education. We might fall short this time, but we will surely embrace our purpose, and that is because tayo ang mag-ahon para malinang ang kultura ng ating mga katutubo. Padayon, kabataang Pilipino.
Thank you. Thank you, USLS. Next, Hope Builders Organization, Negros Island Incorporated from Himamaylan, Negros Occidental.
Mayong gabi sa tanan, on behalf of the Hope Builders Organization Negros Island, through its Pagbasa May Pag-asa sa Pagbasa project, we are still hopeful to be part of our journey as our first time masarap. Congratulations sa lahat and thank you sa mga Hope Builders. Magandang gabi.
Thank you. Next, Makakaya Organization, Kalibo, Aklan.
Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng nagbigay ng tsansa para marinig yung bawat kwento ng bawat kabataang may kapansanan at patuloy pa rin tayo sa pag-share ng kanilang kwento and we will all together fight talaga para sa equality na lahat. Together lahat talaga makakaya para sa bawat kabataang natatangi at guro ng bayan. Maraming salamat tayo.
Maraming salamat, Gia. Next, Andam Higala from Cagayan de Oro City.
Hello po, good evening po sa lahat. I would like to be writing together with me. So, hello, magandang gabi sa lahat. Inhab Andam Higala, daghang salamat sa pagtuo sa amua. So, thank you so much for allowing us to share our stories sa aming mga EBAs. Thank you so much for believing in us. So, padayon ta, mga batanon, let's continue in sustaining communities one EBA at a time. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, V. Next, Light of Hope Philippines from Mandaue City, Cebu.
Good evening, everyone. So, congratulations sa lahat. And Light of Hope Philippines is beyond grateful for this opportunity on allowing us to share, empower, and inspire our youth. Congratulations once again, and good evening.
Thank you, Jerome. The Street Classroom from Mogpog, Marinduque.
Hello everyone, and we just want to thank everyone, especially our 600 volunteers all over the Philippines kasi sa 3 taon ng pakikibaka natin ay kasama namin kayo sa pagbabahagi ng kwento ng pag-asa. mulit-muli para sa bayan at para sa mga bata. Thank you so much po.
Maraming salamat, Kyle, at maraming salamat sa iyong buong barangay na kasama for tonight. Next, Innovations for Community Health from Mandaluyong City.
Good evening, everyone. On behalf of Innovations for Community Health, congratulations to the 10 organizations selected this year. And thank you to Tayo for giving us the opportunity to share the stories of patients with tuberculosis dito sa Pilipinas. Maraming salamat po.
And last, but definitely not the least, is Organization from San Francisco, Agusan del Sur.
Alright, makakalikasang pagbati po sa ating lahat is be with you. Nais po namin magpasalamat sa Empowering Advocates for Sustainable Environment sa Tayo for recognizing our efforts, for recognizing our simple things na ginagawa para sa inang kalikasan. We would like also to thank yung aming mga beneficiaries, yung aming 5 partner barangays na who become our inspiration. To our partners and sponsors, maraming salamat po sa inyo. Hindi man kami pinalad, ay pinalad kami, bonus na tong Tayo. Ipapatuloy namin yung aming magandang nasimulan from 5 at lilibutin namin ang 27 barangay ng buong San Francisco para ipalaganap ang pagmamahal para sa inang kalikasan. Congratulations sa ating lahat at mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino.
Thank you, Ryle. Muli, maraming salamat sa bumuo ng aming taon sa Tayo 19. Sa ating mga sponsors, partners, judges, experts, speakers, volunteers, thank you for co-working with us in celebrating the bayanihan of the Filipino youth. Para sa ating national finalists, expert screening qualifiers, validation interviewees, and all 933 of you across the Philippines. Salamat sa patuloy na pagpapakita na may mas maganda at mapagpasamang bukas. Mabuhay ang Tayo 19!
Labing-siyam na taon na ang lumipas at naninindigan pa rin tayong lahat para ipagdiwang ang kakayahan ng kabataang Pilipino. Talaga nga namang nakamamangha ang galing ng mga kabataan. Maraming ngayong gabi.
May we all continue to be a symbol of hope and courage to our fellow Filipino youth and to all our kababayans. May your stories be a reminder that there is a better tomorrow. Magpapatuloy ang ating kwento sa ika-20 taon sa pagkilala at pagdiwang ng mga kabataang Pilipino.
Maraming salamat rin sa lahat ng youth organizations na naging bahagi ng Tayo 19. Ang ating secretariat, volunteers, sponsors at finalists.
Of course, thank you to our co-presenters, Tayo Awards Foundation, Coca-Cola Foundation Philippines, and San Miguel Corporation, supported by the U.S. Embassy in the Philippines and Wisely Philippines.
Ngayon pa lang, inaanyayahan na namin ang iba't ibang mga organisasyon at grupo ng mga kabataan na sumali sa Tayo 20 next year.
Tama yan, just follow us on our official social media channels. Magkita-kita tayo sa 20th Search for 10 Accomplished Youth Organizations. Muli, ako si Von Jacob.
At ako naman si Ayo D. Ano man ang dumating, magpapatuloy tayo.
Patuloy ang pagkapit, pagtawid at pag-ahon.
Samahan niyo kami sa ating biyahe sa panibagong kwento ng inspirasyon, pag-asa at pagkakaisa.
Maraming salamat po. Mabuhay tayo at mabuhay ang kabataang Pilipino.
Gisingin na ang diwa, salubungin ang umaga. Handa ka na ba? Masdan mo ang daluyong, umaagos ang pagtulong sa kapwa, sa kapwa. May sinagsayong puso na hindi na maitatago, ang silong mo'y lisanin na. Liwanag mo'y sisigla kung tayo'y magsasabi magsasama-sama sa lupa nating naghihingalo. Tayo ang pagbabago, sabay nating suyuin, mailap na pagkakaisa sa pagsikat ng bagong araw. Buong pusong isigaw na tayo ang pagbabago. Yakapin ang pagkakaiba. Liwanag mo'y sisigla kung tayo'y magsasama-sama sa lupa nating naghihingalo. Tayo ang pagbabago, sabay nating suyuin, mainap na pagkakaisa sa pagsikat ng bagong araw. Buong pusong isigaw na tayo ang pagbabago, sabay nating suyuin, mainap na pagkakaisa sa pagsikat ng bagong araw. Buong pusong isigaw na tayo ang pagbabago. Tayo ang pagbabago. Liwanag natin iisa, kaya tayo nang magsama-sama sa lupa nating naghihingalo. Tayo ang pagbabago, sabay nating suyuin, mailap na pagkakaisa sa pagsikat ng bagong araw. Buong pusong isigaw na tayo ang pagbabago, sabay nating suyuin, mailap na pagkakaisa sa pagsikat ng bagong araw. Buong pusong isigaw na tayo ang pagbabago. Tayo ang pagbabago. Tayo ang pagbabago.